Hello dear students, I am Devshojan Nandi and today we will be discussing a very important and quite interesting problem from sequence and series, and this is for class 11, and the sum looks like 7 plus twice 7 plus thrice 7 plus 4 times 7 plus up to n times. That means up to n times repeated n's. We have to find out the summation of this thing. How to do this? Let's see. As you can see that this is a GP series, okay? This is a GP series, okay? That means it is multiplying itself. Now we have to find out the summation of this particular series. How to do this? Let's see. The first step is assume S is equals to 7 plus 77 plus 777, okay? Write up to 3 terms and write then up to n terms, okay? Don't have to write too much and waste your time. Second step is quite interesting. Absorb all the 7, that is take 7 in common, that is 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus up to n terms, okay? Up to n terms. The third step is also quite interesting, that is you are multiplying 9. That is, this terms becomes 9 plus 9 plus 999 plus up to n terms. Now, the question arises, how can I do this thing? I can do this thing if I divide the front one by 9. See, obviously, if I take 9 common from this particular bracketed portion, then the 9 and 9 cancels. Why I did this? There's a reason behind it. Let's see. The reason is this one. See. Write 9 as 10 minus 1 plus 99 as what? Yes, 100 minus 1. Yes, you are in the right track. 999 as 1000 minus 1 plus up to n times. Okay? Up to 8 terms. Okay? Up to n terms or n times, whatever you can write, no problem. Why I did this? See, try to understand this. Write all the multiples of 10 in one part. That is 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus up to n terms, okay? Now see, there's a minus 1 common in each term, okay? That means minus 1 going on till n terms. I am absorbing the minus 1 and I am writing 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is also up to n terms. Okay? Alright? Here's the third bracket is open. I have to close it over here. So this is the important step. Okay, now we have a few lines left with. Let's see. That is, see, this is a GP series, you can easily understand. Now what's the summation of this particular thing? See, what is 2 plus 2? That is 4. What is 2 plus 2 plus 2? That is 6. What is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? That is 4. That is 8. That means what? I am doing 2 into 2. Here I am having 3 into 2. Here I am having 4 into 2. If I have these repetitions up to n times, what does this happen? Yes, n into 2. Here we have 2 and here we have 1. That means what does this bracketed portion become? Yes, 1 into n. That is ultimately n. Okay? Now write this. That is 7 by 9. Now what does this happen? You know the formula. That if the common ratio is greater than 1, then what does the summation formula become? That is S is equals to A R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is the required formula. So we will apply this and our answer comes. See, this one becomes 10 into, what is the common ratio? That is 100 by 10, 10, 1000 by 100, 10. So 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. This is the first term and this is the common ratio, okay? This is the first term and this is the common ratio. Don't forget. Minus What is this? N into 1, that's N. Alright? So 7 by 9 into, multiply this. You have your answer, but you can simplify it. 10 into 10, N, that is 10 into N plus 1 minus 10 whole divided by 9 minus N, and your result comes to be as 7 by 81, 9 into 9, 81, and 10 to the power N plus 1 minus 10 minus 9N after doing the LCM. So this is your answer. Like this, I will be helping you in solving many problems, and don't forget that to get admission in my classes, contact in the given number that is given over here. That is 905-1557-693. Alright? Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.